Hey, Nick here, Carter Customs, bringing you a really nice vintage two-stroke dirt bike here, 1990 to 91, RT 180, two-stroke, six-speed transmission. It's air-cooled two-stroke, so it's not like a motocross bike. It's more like a trail bike, but in very good condition, as you can see. No dents in the tank. Tank is about spotless inside. I mean, for a bike this age. Seats in immaculate condition. The chrome on the wheels, it's perfect. No rust, pits or nothing. Original exhaust. Very original bike. Disc brakes on the front. Two-stroke engine, oil injected. Some newer decals and whatnot on it, but I owned this bike probably 12 years ago. Sold it to a friend who's an older gentleman that just, wanted to putt around on some trails with it. And as you can see, he kept it perfect too. That was back when I used to deal in vintage bikes all the time. So I ended up just getting it back from him. He wanted to sell it, and I really don't need it either. So here it is, up for sale again. So I'm gonna have my boy get on it here and start it and ride it around real quick for you to show you. So that's about it. There it is. Runs good, sounds good. Just cleaned the carburetor on it because it sat for a while, had some old fuel in it, so drained the fuel, put new fuel in it, and got it ready to go. So that's about it. Happy bidding. You have any other questions, shoot me an email. Thanks.